I'm Emily Eames, and I am a board-certified behavior analyst and a preschool special education teacher at Racker's Ithaca site. So with your little one at home during the day and a major change in their routine, you might be experiencing some more challenging behavior than usual. So I'm here to give you 3 quick tips to help prevent some challenging behavior. Number 1, set clear behavior expectations. Choose 3 to 5 expectations that you have for your child at home. Maybe you want them to be gentle with their siblings, or using kind words, or to clean up after they play with their toys. Try to state the behavior expectations positively to tell your child exactly what you want them to do. For example, you might say, use gentle hands instead of no hitting. Create a visual or a picture for each expectation and post them around your house, and so that way you can refer to them often. Review the expectations daily and provide examples of the expected behaviors you want your child to follow. Model and practice the expectations with your child and use consistent language. Finally, provide positive, descriptive praise often to increase the likelihood of your child engaging in these behaviors again. Think of this as like catching them being good and rewarding them for it. For example, you might say, you used kind words and asked for a turn with the iPad. Nice job. Number 2, provide your child with transition warnings. Before removing a preferred activity or transitioning to a new activity, give your child a warning to prepare them for the upcoming transition. Transition warnings can be verbal, physical, or auditory cues that a change is about to occur. For example, you might say, in 2 minutes, we're going to be all done with blocks, and it will be time for a snack. Once it's time to transition, you can support your child throughout the transition, prompting them if needed, and keeping your child safe. Once your child begins to engage in the transition independently, make sure to provide them with positive, descriptive praise. For example, you cleaned up the blocks all by yourself. Good job. And number 3, offer controlled choices. So providing choices allows children to partake in the decision-making process and increases their engagement in activities, as well as often decreasing challenging behavior. Offering a choice prevents negotiation and will help avoid a power struggle. The key is to offer a limited menu of choices, all of which you're okay with. So for example, you might say, do you want to wear sneakers or boots today? Or do you want to walk to the bathtub fast or slow? Avoid offering choices that aren't available or offering forced choices, like saying, do you want to clean up or do you want to sit in timeout? Because your child doesn't want to do either of those. Some choice types include choice of activity, how they do something, how many of something that they want, who will help them do something, or maybe what color they want. Providing choices often will give your child some control in their day. I hope that these tips will help you and your child. I'm also going to put up some additional resources on the screen that might be useful to you. And one important note is that if you're experiencing severe or unsafe challenging behavior, please make sure to reach out to your child's special education teacher or social worker, and they'll be able to work with you to help support you and your child.